Hi, this is Sarva. In this video, we will see how to design newsletters using Canva. For those people who do not know what is Canva, Canva is a free graphic designing tool. The website is www.canva.com. Let's go and see how to design newsletters. Let's go to canva.com. For those who do not have an account, they have to sign up and create an account and log in. If you have already got an account, you can go straight away and log in. So I have logged into Canva. I am going to create a design option and I just scroll down and I am choosing the option newsletter, right? So Canva provides pre-made newsletters available on the left hand side, right? So after logging, this is the page you will land and you can see a lot of newsletters available here. You can pick up any one you like and customize as per your need. So let us look into a few options, right? There's a business letter available now. So we will just increase the size and see what is there inside, right? So this is a business letter, how to grow your business fast, and April their website is there and some write-up, right? A few photographs are also there, right? So this is one option. And if you come down, there is another one, trend of interior design, right? Let us look into this. So there are some photographs on interior items and some write-up, whatever the company wants to write up, and their website is also there. You can just scroll down and see wherever there is a crown symbol that is available only for Canva Pro version, which is a paid version. We can pick up something free. So this one, if you see Mrs. Darcy's classroom news, so this is from a school. So here they talk about this week in grade 2. So probably this may be a newsletter to parents just to give an update what's happening in grade 2. So this is one, and another one is like home livings, your ultimate guide to home decor. Somebody who is doing home decoration, they publish newsletter, right? So there are plenty, right? Technology news is also there, girls fashion is there, online webinar business. So there is another school newsletter. Let us click on this and see it has come. So now what we can do is this one, we can just change as per our need. So I'm going to change, see, each component and each picture here is editable and we can change as we like it. So I'm going to change this as May 2022 and Scaffold School. I'm going to change this to Sarva Academy, right? And I'm going to increase the size little bit. I'm going to, yeah, I can increase the font size as well by clicking here on the plus sign. It is getting increased, right? So fine. Serva Academy, we will leave it there. I'm removing the book symbol. I'm just moving this to the, I'm removing this also, and I will move this here, right? And I can change this background color by going here in the square box and change this color to anything I like. Suppose I change it like this, and the dark background does not suit with black color of Serva Academy, so I will change this to white and see how it looks like. It looks better. I'm making a choice, right? Now school letter I will change just to just newsletter, online course, online course newsletter, and I'm just decreasing the size so that it fits in. Yeah, okay. So Sarva Academy online course newsletter, and you can say this issue, I am going to say maybe 25% off till May end 2022. Some offers we will say, right? Let it be. So I can increase the size little bit, right? This is one. and here I can remove this stuff. I will add something else. Yeah, right here what I'm going to do is I will add some flash news like free seminar or something like that. Yeah, so I'm looking at templates, I'm looking at elements. Let us look at stars. Right, so I'm putting a star here. I'm just changing this. I can just add a text to this. I will go here. I will add a text here saying that join free live webinar at 5 p.m. 28th May 2022. Intro to our courses and job opportunities. Right, this font is big, so we will just reduce the size. I'm just reduce the size, guys. So goes down, so then we can bring it like this. Right, okay, so I'm just changing this color to something attractive, and probably let me see whether the star color can be changed. Edit image, yes, we can change this to dark blue. Hello, okay, I'm just trying a few color combination, guys. You can do as you like it. There is no hard and fast rule. So this brown and red don't go together well. So let's change the font color to white and see. Yeah, it's better. Now just increase this. This I will remove, and then I will move it here. Right. Okay. Fine. So in this issue, I'm removing this newsletter. So here, what we'll do, get 25% off with this newsletter. Right, 25% off. So if someone wants to avail some discount, if you can show this newsletter, they will get 25% offer, which is good. Right, excellent. Right, so here in this picture, that's fine. This is like online, so we'll remove this, right, and we'll go to photos and search for computers. There may be a lot of computers pictures available for free. We can just add any of them. As we are teaching online courses, we will keep a computer. So this page 1 is there. I'm not having more than one page, so I will remove the page. That's fine. It can be a one-page newsletter also. Right, so here, bring it like this. What we are going to do is we will group all these three. So whenever we move, this book goes together, right? You are able to see that. Okay, so and this one we will remove. So if you see May 20th Sarva Academy online course newsletter, Jan free webinar, and then some offers we are giving. We can add more contents as it makes sense to you. We can simply save this by clicking on the file and click on save to folder. If you want to download, go to file and click on download. So on the right hand side there are file type options. There are JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, MP4 video and GIF. We can keep it as PNG and click on download. It's getting downloaded. Go to downloads folder and click on the file. So this looks like this: Sarva Academy May 2022 online course newsletter and some offer and webinars, some pictures. That's okay. If you want to change any of them, you can change. There are no issues. So Canva provides some interesting options. On the left hand side there are styles. If you click on the styles, there are many options available on the right hand side. This means that when you click on one particular style, the font type, font color and the background color of the newsletter on the right hand side will be changed. Let us try a couple of them. I am clicking on Barlow Bold and see how our newsletter has changed. You see the colors have changed, font has changed, and I am clicking on hammers and I am looking at the newsletter, see how it has changed. You can try a few of the styles or all of them if you like and choose the one you really want to keep, and you can just save them. Instead of going and changing the font and colors of each element, if you click on the one style, it applies certain font color and also background colors and give you options to choose. Now you see the background has gone completely red. So I'm just clicking randomly, guys, so you can see how it looks. Okay. Alright, so in case if you want to add any picture, you can just go and click on the uploads option on the left hand side. So there is an option called upload media. If you click on the upload media, it takes you to your local folder. From there you can pick up the picture. Suppose I click on the pick ladder. So the picture of a ladder has come here. If I want to use this in my newsletter, if I drag and drop, it will come. That's it. Okay, so if you want to save this, you can just save. As we saw earlier, you can download also by clicking on the download button. So far we created our newsletter using a already existing template. We can create our own from scratch as also, that is from blank template. So I'm click on newsletters. So you get a blank one where you can add your text. If you click on add text here and it comes here, so you can add, you can change it to Server Academy for example. I'm just giving an example. So you can bring it up and you can change the background color by clicking the background here, right? Some light blue or whatever you want to make, you can make, right? This is Server Academy and you can keep on adding whatever you feel like. As we saw earlier, you can just click uploads and get the pictures from your local. So I'm clicking on Server Academy and I'm bringing it to the left, and I'm just moving this here, this ladder, right? So keep here, right? Fine. So add some text as you like it. So as we saw earlier, we will say avail 25% off on all courses with this newsletter. Uh, and we can add one more, like we can just simply keep at the bottom saying that offer 30th, 31st May 2022, and we'll reduce the font size a bit. That's it. So you can keep it the center. This is just a sample content, guys. So whatever the actual content from the news, you can always add. So as we saw that, here we can search for, go to photos and search for computers. There may be a few computers. There are computers which you can choose. As this online course, I am just putting a picture of a computer. If you want to change the color in the background, you can change the color of the fonts as you like it. So you can go here, click on this one and click on this square box and change the color to blue, and maybe the black to white, the color of the font so it is readable. Similarly this one also, I'm changing the color to white. Yeah, so color combinations, font size, what is the exact content you want to put, all those things you can do as you like. This is, I'm just showing how to do. What you want to do is absolutely up to you. That's it, guys. So Sarva Academy, we can just click this and click this, move it up. Yeah, so we can bring this to little down and add another letter saying that what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that newsletter May 2022, right, and I will reduce the size to, yeah, so then, so this is like that. Yeah, so simple one. Similarly you can add any content, any font size, anything as you like. It's not difficult, guys, it's very easy. So you can go to file and save, and you can click on file and press on download and choose the file type and press download. It gets downloaded, it's downloading. You download, so we'll click on this and see. So this is how it looks like. Sarva Academy newsletter May 2020, available 20% off on all courses with this newsletter, offer valid till 31st May. So simple and neat, right? That's all I wanted to show. I observed from YouTube statistics that lot of people are viewing my videos but they are not subscribing. Guys, if you watch it and if you like it, please do subscribe to the channel, as this definitely matters a lot to me and acts as a catalyst to do more videos for you guys. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Please subscribe and press the like button if you like the video, and also press the bell icon to get notification whenever I release my next video. Please let me know any specific topic you would like me to make a video and share with you guys. This is Sarva signing off. Be happy. Love you all. Bye bye.